So I get a lot of comments in my videos that, AJ, your voice is so beautiful, your voice is so nice. And I've decided that I won't be putting music under my videos anymore. I think I will be using my voice more. Yes, guys, we are outside, and I thought I should show you my outside kitchen. Yes, I do a lot of cooking outside, especially now that the summer is setting in. We're going to be having a lot of Owambe parties. And you know what? We cook on a larger scale, and it's not going to be like my CCA cooking in my tiny little kitchen. So today is 5:30 in the morning. Yes, you can see the weather is so bright. Yes, we are getting into the summer and the weather is changing. We have the longer days and shorter nights. So today I'll be cooking 2 big coolers of jollof rice. As you can see, I'm frying my tin tomato, which is the tomato paste. I'm cooking on a larger scale. It's kind of different from when you're cooking very, very small. You know, some people can cook for 20 people and not be able to cook for 100 or 500 people. So here I am cooking for 100 people. It's a new customer, so I need to cook this soup, this jollof rice to be very, very nice. And you know what? Consistency of a larger cook is different from small cooking. So guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is my outside kitchen, and I need you guys to see. I cook a lot of outside kitchen which I have not been showcasing. Like I said, I will be showing you guys a lot of my outside cooking. You're welcome back to my channel. This is AJ of Honeyz Kitchen and Lifestyle. I'm putting in all my condiments now. I'm putting in my salt, my knorr cubes, which I have crushed. Yes, I usually crush my knorr so that it will be easy for me to, pour it anytime I'm cooking. So if you're new here, you're welcome to my channel. Yes, they say I have a very beautiful voice. So if you are new here, please let me know in the comment section if truly my voice is beautiful. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and put the bell on to notify you anytime we drop a new video. And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you to all of you. You can see, guys, AJ Honeyz Kitchen and Lifestyle is growing, and it's because of you guys. So I am pouring my stock into my sauce now. I always do that every time because stock is very, very important when you're cooking your jollof rice. So, and I'll also be adding my rice, which I have washed. So guys, like I'm saying, thank you so much, guys. You guys are the reason why Honeyz Kitchen and Lifestyle is growing, and I'm so appreciative. I'm really, really appreciative of all of you, because without you guys, there is no AJ of Honeyz Kitchen and Lifestyle. So here I have poured in my rice and I'm stirring it all together, and I will now be covering it. Cooking outside is a big hustle, big one. So I will now be adding my butter, and I also be adding my onions. And sometimes I usually add my sliced tomato, which, it depends on the customer. Like I said, I'm cooking for a new customer and I don't know whether they're going to like it or not. So I'm just going to make it basically just simple. Add the butter and onions to it. But this rice has to be very, very sweet because I want them to come back. So it has to be very, very nice and moist. That is why I always use butter to moisten my rice. So guys, continue to watch and see the outcome of this video. So guys, you can see that my jollof rice is coming together. I'll be using foil to cover it, and I'll put it on a very, very low heat so that it can steam. Here, right now, I only need the steam for it to get done. I don't need too much light, too much light so that it will not get burnt. See guys, when I was thinking of cooking this rice, I had to wake up very, very early in the morning because yesterday I was supposed to, blend the pepper down and cook the pepper down so that they can quickly get, the delivery of the rice. But I was too tired, so I have to wake up like very early this morning, like 5:30, because the delivery has to be 9 o'clock, and I don't like to waste people's time. So guys, as you can see, my jollof rice is coming together, and here I'm about ready to pour it in the in the cooler for them to come and pick it up. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. Do you want to see more of my outdoor catering? My outdoor catering is quite large, especially the summer is setting in. So thank you so much. Please leave a comment in the comment section, and like, share and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you again with another outdoor catering very, very soon. But you still see more of my chickly kitchen cooks. Bye.